Hello chaps, welcome. So now we'll move on to the day 7 trigonometry. What is that we are going to learn today? See, you can see in the table I've shown theta 0 degrees to 90 degrees. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Because generally these are the angles which we work on, and the values of the trigonometric ratios at this place is somewhat rational functions or irrational, but it is somewhat easy to recollect and register also. And other angles are also there, but it needs a 10 exercise to find out. So what is this sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90? See, there is an order here, right? So sin theta if it is 0, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is half, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. So why did I keep this star marks here? You can see the star marks here. If this particular only one values of the one ratio are understood or recollected, remembered or registered properly, then rest of all the trigonometric ratios can be sorted out. See, the sin theta values, if it is going this way, cos theta values, just imagine it is a reverse order. So sin theta, what is sin 0? 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. So definitely cos, if I have to order this, just order or reverse the orders. Cos 0 should be 1, cos 30 should be root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. So okay, I am saying if I know this, I can get all of the how. See, there are again certain identities we have to remember. Now look at these identities. Number 1, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That means if you know the sin theta value, sin 0 value, cos 0 value, you can get tan 0 value, like that. Cosecant theta is defined as the reciprocal of the sin theta. That means if you know sin 0, you can get cosecant 0. So cosecant 0 equal 1 by sin 0. And then secant theta. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. That is reciprocal of the cos theta. What is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. So I'm kept putting it together. This is known as cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta, tan theta. Everything will be obtained, or even cos theta also. If you know, just if you are able to understand, register and recollect sin theta values, that's more than enough. See the others, if you look into sin 15 degrees, sin 18 degrees, sin 36 degrees, sin 72 degrees, such angles are also available, but they require little attention and they take some time. But remembering these two, and many applications, we find this particular angles here. Okay, bye.